Moncayo, Davao de Oro Province. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude for the donation we have received today. Alcohol, printed ink, bond paper, and face mask from your organization, the Wisca International Children's Forest Program. Thank you very much.
Elementary School, Moncayo East District, Division of Davao de Oro, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Wisca, Manila. Thank you so much for your continued support to our school, and thank you so much for your support to our modular production, most especially. And also with the alcohol and the disinfectant and the mask. All of this will be used accordingly. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong makanunayong suporta sa among eskwelahan.
On behalf of the teaching staff, parents, and pupils of Tabon-Tabon Elementary School, Bawani, Mawag, Davao de Oro, we would like to extend our deepest gratitude to the people behind the Wisca Children's Forest Program for choosing our school to be your beneficiary for the next 5 years. We thank you for the bond paper. Rest assured that this will be used for the printing of the modules for the opening of classes comes October 5, 2020.
The books you have donated will be of help to augment and supplement the learning of our school children.
Teachers will benefit from it also to be used as other references. This type of pandemic, where health and safety are our utmost concern, your donated alcohol and face mask is greatly appreciated. Rest assured that the blessing coming from you will be utilized accordingly.
We are looking forward for a productive working relationship for the coming years. Thank you!
In behalf of Sausao Elementary School Teaching Force, Sausao Mawag, Davao de Oro, Philippines, we would like to thank Wisca International for donating us school supplies and some pandemic safety protection materials.